What happens if fault is disputed after a car accident? If fault is disputed, the insurance company may delay the claim, deny it, or offer less money while it investigates who caused the crash. In North Carolina, this can be especially serious because of contributory negligence. That means if the insurer can prove your own negligence helped cause the collision, it may argue that you cannot recover compensation. A fault dispute does not automatically end your claim. It means you need stronger evidence. Save photos and videos of the vehicles, the scene, skid marks, debris, traffic signals, and road conditions. Get the crash report, but remember that the report may not decide the claim. The officer usually did not see the crash happen, and the report may miss witnesses, camera footage, or details discovered later. Also save medical records, bills, repair documents, tow records, witness information, and every message from the insurance company. Be careful with recorded statements, and do not sign a release unless you understand whether it settles only property damage or all claims. Deadlines still matter while fault is being argued. Many injury claims in North Carolina have a 3-year filing deadline, and insurance negotiations do not automatically extend it.